notice my talent. Turning when I ain't hustling backwards. I'm up here, my word is my tactic. I've been grinding for sun out the sun up. I'm from the bottom, I built in the come up. They gon' hate anyway, so it's fuck them. You can't play in my face, I don't trust you. From the mud, I was taught not to love, never run to my mother.
Look at him, man. He just bad, man. He just want to be all old, dude, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what it is, y'all. He's just like biting right now. He a real biting dude, but his eyes is real beautiful. Look, he don't want to bite on this toy. He want to just bite on me. What's wrong with him? You know, I'm gonna get him right there. Hey, stop. When you bite on y'all, you gotta grab him by his collar, y'all. Let him know. Stop biting. Yeah, show him who you look like, man. Come out here a little more. Come out here a little more. Look at him, y'all. He keep getting on. He keep trying to bite me. It's probably because I just whooped him because he whooped, you know? You know what I'm saying? Keep dooking everywhere, peeing everywhere. Look at him, man. Y'all, you know what I'm saying? If you get hit, man, you know. Look, you want to keep biting on me. He's so beautiful. Look at him. Look at him, y'all. He get mad. He get frustrated, y'all. I can't. That boy really got upset. You want doggy treat? Doggy treat? Hey, yo, what should we name him? Comment in the comment section, man. What should we name him, man? What should we name him, man? Got a new puppy. Look at him, yo. Tell him welcome to the family, man. We're gonna have him in the future videos, you know. Welcome to the family, dog. Doggy. We got a little puppy, man. Let's do this sexy, man. Like, keep trying to bite me. You always biting me. Hey, what's up, man? You got beef with me or something? Why your eyes ain't blue no more? Your eyes change colors? His eyes change colors, man. It be blue, greenish blue. Hey. You don't want it for real? You don't want it for real? You don't want it for real? Yeah, you know, he gonna be right, man. My puppy gonna be right. He gonna be bigger than y'all puppy. He a blue nose, pit bull. Yeah, blue nose pit bull, pit bull terrier. Yeah, pit bull terrier, blue nose pit bull terrier. Hey, what's up? Hey, he a feisty little dude. He like that. Stop. Yeah. Yeah, y'all know what it is. crazy. He go crazy over there. I don't know what these is, but he go crazy over. My pops got him now. Come on, stop, sit. Good boy. Get him, boy. Good boy. Good boy. You didn't get it? Sit. Sit. Hey, sit, y'all. You gonna get it. Good boy. Right here. Right here. Right here. Hey, a little feisty, man. We gonna have to get that under control. That little boy, he got a little joy in his eye. Sit. 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 You ain't gonna get it. Sit. Sit. Hey, he ain't getting the thing right. Sit. Good boy. Right here. Sit. Come on. He gonna run to the street. Oh, my boy. Hey, yo, I think we should name him Steel. Yeah, Steel. Cause look at his coat, man. Look at his coat, man. His coat's so beautiful. But he should get older. I already know he gonna be looking mean. Get him his head gonna be huge. His name gonna be Steel though, y'all. And his eyes blue. Oh man, look at his eyes. I should love a little puppy already. I should love a little puppy already. Look at him, man. Hey, what you trying to bite on me, huh? You got a thing for me? You got a thing for me, doggy? Huh? You got a biting thing for me or something? Huh? Hey, he's a bad man. He's a bite man. Got me stinking on him, bro. Look at my dog, y'all. Y'all can stop playing on me. My dog look better than me, man. Hey, show me a picture of your dog, man, in my DMs, man. Send me a picture, man. Alright, let's see who look better. Show me a little puppies, you know what I'm saying? So it's puppy time, you know? I got a beautiful great puppy, man. Yeah, man, you should see his brother. We gonna show y'all his brother one day too. We gonna show y'all some training tips and everything. You know what I'm saying? Get y'all a hit. I done little training tips too. But he over there going crazy for it. He going crazy for it. That's why you ain't get no more. You don't deserve it. Come here. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, man. I love the dog already. I mean, not the dog. I love Steel already. I love the puppy already, man. He just warmed my heart up. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, y'all. This dog just gave me stuff in my heart. I feel like a first grader again when I have my old puppy. I need a puppy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, man, what's going on? What's all that biting for? Keep on biting, y'all. What's going on with him? Is he teething? I think he's teething. You need some? Y'all, let's you gotta see him in person, man. This boy. Now when you come up, he gonna bite you though. So don't even try to be. Don't say I didn't tell y'all. Don't say I didn't warn y'all. He gonna really bite. He gonna bite. I tell him to. I train him a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know, once Billy get into you, it's the belly motion. It's that belly shit. You know what I'm saying? It's that King Billy vibe. You know. Once you get over here, you can't leave. You can't look. You're attached. You ain't leaving. Like I said, anyway, man. I got a new puppy, man. You know what I'm saying? His name's Steel now. We're gonna name him Steel. Look at his blue eyes. He got a great coat. He a beautiful dog, man. I know it. At first he was a little crybaby, but he didn't want to talk to nobody. He was crying like a mother all night. But now, today, he a little better. He a little feisty. Like he warmed up or something. I don't know. Maybe it's the food. But anyway, y'all. Hope y'all like this video, man. He a little clingy too. This dude clingy. Hey, look at him. Look at this clingy. Look. He can't stay. Hey, he can't stay away from me. You know? He can't stay away from me for some. Hey, he can't stay away from me for some reason. But he always trying to bite me. What's up? Like he always gotta be against me or something, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's that effect. I told you, that's that belly effect. That King Billy effect. Once I get to you, you always want to be around me. You always want to touch on me. You always want to lick me or touch me or no, let me stop. Hey. Anyway, man, like this video, man. This King Billy, man. You know what I'm saying? We ain't saying too much. We back when we back. Y'all better like the other video. Y'all better like these more videos, man. We turn it up every summer. Nah, quit. Like it all. Like my last video, man. Like my new videos. Like my last videos, man. Like I said that 2 times, 3 times. I don't care how many times, man. Turn me up. Subscribe. Hey, man. Slow down. Keep on biting. Hey, what? What? Like my video. You gotta pee? They gotta pee, y'all. Every time you on me like they gotta use the bathroom. Look at you, man. So beautiful. You be a big boy. A big boy. Yeah. Boy, y'all, he getting big, man. That boy getting so big. He more playful now, too, y'all. Way more playful. Hey. What's up? Boy, give it. My boy do not be playing. My boy don't play, man. You better stop playing on my dog, man. That's that dog right there. Look at him.